Meet the foldable plastic sleeve box, the innovative solution for your storage and transportation needs. They are durable, lightweight, and can be easily folded when not in use, saving you valuable storage space. We are a professional manufacturer of plastic sleeve boxes. With the use of high-quality machinery and equipment, our skilled factory workers create durable products using only the best materials. Our innovative production process ensures that each box is crafted with precision, ensuring that the product passes quality testing. Our pallet sleeve boxes come in different sizes and can hold a wide range of products, from food and beverages to industrial equipment and raw materials. Our satisfied customers have nothing but praise for our products, citing their convenience, durability, and affordability. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more about our foldable plastic pallet sleeve boxes.